Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef gravy at home. First, after roasting your beef, carefully pour off the pan drippings into a heatproof container. Allow the fat to separate and rise to the top. Skim off and discard most of the fat, leaving approximately 1/4 cup of the rich, flavorful drippings and any browned bits in the roasting pan. These drippings are the foundation of your delicious homemade gravy. Next, place your roasting pan directly on the stovetop over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the remaining pan drippings. Whisk constantly for 1 to 2 minutes, creating a smooth paste known as a roux. This step is crucial for thickening your gravy and developing a deeper, nutty flavor. Ensure it cooks to a light golden brown. Now, slowly pour in 2 cups of beef broth or stock, whisking continuously as you add it. This gradual addition helps prevent lumps and ensures your gravy will be wonderfully smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken. Stir occasionally to keep the bottom from sticking and to achieve an even consistency throughout the gravy. Finally, taste your gravy and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce or a pinch of fresh thyme. Let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Serve your rich, homemade beef gravy warm over your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.